In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to comment on a Clickup task. Clickup is a popular productivity platform used by many teams to organize their work and collaborate efficiently. Adding comments to tasks can help clarify the work that needs to be done, set expectations, or track progress. Let's walk through the steps you need to follow to achieve this. First, let's go to Clickup. You'll want to open your preferred web browser and type in the URL clickup.com. Hit enter and you'll be taken directly to Clickup's main page. If you already have a Clickup account, the next thing you'll want to do is find the login option. Usually it's located in the top right corner of the page. Click on login and you'll be directed to the login page. Once you are on the login page, you have a convenient option to sign in with Google. If your Clickup account is linked to your Google account, this is a great way to save time. So click on sign in with Google. A prompt will appear asking you to select which Google account you'd like to use. Choose the appropriate account associated with Clickup. With your account now accessed, it's time to select the task you want to comment on. You can do this by navigating through your workspace to find the specific task you're interested in. Once you've found it, simply click on the task to open it up. You should now see the task details in front of you. Within the task view, look for the message box. This is usually located at the bottom or on the side of the task detail window. Once you've spotted it, click on it. This will enable you to type into the message area. Now you can start typing your comment. It's a good idea to be clear and concise when writing your comment. This ensures that your message is understood by everyone involved in the task. Once you have your comment ready, give it a quick review to make sure everything is accurate and there's no confusion. After reviewing, you're ready to send your comment. Look for the send button, typically symbolized by an arrow or a plane icon, and click on it. Your comment will now be attached to the task for everyone to see. And there you have it, you've successfully commented on a task in Clickup. By following these steps, you not only make sure your team is on the same page, but you also contribute to smoother workflow and better project management. Remember, communication is key to any successful collaboration, and tools like Clickup are designed to aid just that. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.